As we delve deeper into the history of the Proto-Somalis, we can't help but marvel at the rise of these city-states. From the ashes of Macrobia, they emerged as vibrant centers of commerce, culture, and learning, their influence echoing through the ages. These city-states were the beating heart of the Somali civilization, their influence reaching far and wide. Even the ancient Greeks could not ignore the burgeoning power of the Somali city-states. These early Greek explorers, drawn by the allure of exotic goods and tales of wealth, found themselves in a region they would later refer to as Barbaria. This term, far from its modern derogatory connotations, was actually a testament to the foreign nature of the Somali lands, a place so different from the familiar landscapes of Greece. The interactions between these two distinct civilizations were largely characterized by commerce and mutual respect. The Greeks, renowned for their love of knowledge and exploration, were captivated by the wealth and prosperity of the Somali city-states. They marveled at the vibrant markets of Malau and Mosilon, where they could find rare spices, precious gems, and exotic animals. Beyond these commercial hubs, other notable Proto-Somali city-states thrived. Avalite, Bulhar, and Asina, to name a few, were key players in the ancient world, each contributing to the rich tapestry of global trade and culture. The Proto-Somalis left an indelible mark on the ancient world, one that still resonates today. Their interactions with the Greeks served as a testament to their influence, and their legacy continues to shape the world we know today. From ancient times to the present day, the Proto-Somalis have left a lasting legacy. This legacy is not just confined to the realms of history and culture, but also imprinted on the genetic fabric of their descendants. The time to most recent common ancestor, or TMRCA for Somali haplogroups, provides insight into this genetic heritage. It's estimated to be between 5,000 to 6,000 years for the EM78 cluster gamma, a lineage that links present-day Somalis to their ancient ancestors. In a similar vein, the TM184 bearers trace their ancestry back 2,100 to 2,200 years, further reflecting the deep roots of the Somali people. A specific genetic marker, the deep subclade EY18629, is commonly found among Somalis, offering another testament to their ancient lineage. The Proto-Somalis, a fascinating people, have shaped our understanding of history and left an enduring legacy in the genetic blueprint of their descendants.